Hey everyone, welcome back to Corvette Rescue. Today, wiring. Not. You know, some of my friends out here on the West Coast, never seen a car like this. Never ever seen a car like this in their life. This car's older than me. I have my own project cars. My buddies have their own project cars, mostly out of the 80s and 90s. I got two outside. Never seen a car this old. So they're dying. They're like, what's in all these boxes? All these boxes were in the U-Haul. I dismantled the interior, the hubcaps, anything that could fall off the car, be taken off the car. I put in boxes, put them in the U-Haul. It's just the way I do things. But they're like, oh my God, what does this car look like? What does the interior look like? Well, today, I'm gonna put the seats in just to show you what it looks like. I have the kick panels off just because I was doing wiring and stuff like that. I'm not gonna put those back in because when I finally get the car outside, take some proper photos for it for the next buyer. I want to document all the stuff inside, the condition and everything. This car is solid. Even though it's an East Coast car, it is solid. You have surface rust. I'm not gonna say you don't. You do. But, okay, let's get to it. Let's show you what we have. This is just temporary. Wrong side. My bad. I really gotta give these a good vacuum and cleaning. You know? No, stay the course. This one needs to be re-hog tied. Easy enough. Oh, yeah, that's why. The tabs are a little weird to measure. All right. So, here we have the seats. I gotta get that one tucked in a bit better, but I gotta get my boxes back, or get my garage back. Let me just clean these up a little bit. do a full cleanup session later.